Hi, good morning. I'm Nathan Rodak with Rodak Insurance. Today I wanted to go over something that's really commonly confused in the car insurance world, and those are SR22s and bonds. A lot of people need an SR22 or want a bond, and they think they go together. That's not necessarily true. They are related, but they're not the same thing. So today I want to dispel some of the confusion about that. First off, an SR22, it's not actually insurance. All an SR22 is a form that gets sent up to the state either digitally or we can print one off that you can walk out to the DMV and you can give it to them and prove that you have insurance. Why do you need an SR22? Not everybody does. If you need one, you usually know it. If you need an SR22, that means that you've had some sort of violation that the state wants to make sure that you have car insurance. So what is an SR22 exactly? All an SR22 is a filing that shows the state that you're carrying the required amount of car insurance so that you can drive. SR22s are usually required if you've had some sort of a violation like a DUI, driving without insurance, driving while suspended. If you've had to go to court for some reason for your driving record, they might require that you carry an SR22. When the insurance company sees that we put an SR22 attached to your car insurance, that lets the insurance company know that they have to notify the state that you have insurance, and conversely, they have to notify the state if you have a lapse in coverage or if your insurance cancels. Now, what the state does when they know if your insurance cancels, they will go ahead and they'll suspend your license. A bond is actually a type of insurance. Now, with a bond, we can insure you as a person, as a driver. So when that person buys a bond, they buy insurance for themselves, not for a vehicle. So they can get in any car technically and be insured while they're driving that car. We can also write a type of bond if you have vehicles. That is called a broad formed named driver bond. So what that broad formed named driver bond does is it insures the owner of the vehicles only. The important thing to note here is if anybody else gets in your vehicle and drives those cars, your insurance will not cover them. You'll have to make sure that they have insurance through somewhere else and that their insurance will cover them while they're driving your vehicle. If not, then they're not driving legally. SR22s and bonds are often related because they go together in many circumstances. A lot of times somebody will need to have insurance so that they can get their license back. They can get that SR22, but they don't own a vehicle. So in that situation, it's perfect to match up a bond with the SR22, and that satisfies the state. Because even if you don't have a car, there are a lot of instances where the state will require you to carry insurance if you want to get your license back. But if you own vehicles and you want a regular insurance policy, we can do that for you. We have a company that'll let you have a regular liability car insurance. You can put whatever limits you want on there, and we can tack an SR22 on there. Not a lot of insurance companies out there are going to let you have your basic liability insurance with an SR22. So if you need that, you can call us, call your agent first, and make sure that they do or don't issue those types of insurance policies. But we are one of the agents that are still able to do that. If you have any further questions, you can feel free to give us a call here at Rodak Insurance. You can always try to call your agent. If they're not able to help you, give us a call. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Have a good day.